Hey, this is Alli from EUCO signing in. I'm coming from Las Vegas, going to Portland. Going to enjoy myself at West Wheel 5. I'll see you there. This is Alli from EUCO. We are on day one. Look at all of these people. We just got here and Law is already doing God's work. Hey Miles, hey Miles. Where are we right now?
We are somewhere that's called something. I don't know. What is it? I forgot. Sorry, it takes a lot.
Okay.
Something waterfall? I don't know. Where are we? What area is this?
Frenchman's Bar.
Frenchman's Bar. All right, so we're at Frenchman's Bar with West Wheel. Got Miles here.
Hi.
We're gonna get some barbecue going. It's Friday. We're on day, what, 4? Is it day 4? We met at the Cathedral Park and we're about to ride all the way back to the Osmo, the Osmi Museum. We're here appreciating the bridge we'll be riding in a second. It's directly behind me. It's gonna be a fun time. We got a few of the early birds.
Road East Side, that's what it's called, right?
Let's do this.
Nate right here from Rev Rides. We all love Nate Rev Rides. Get your tickets from Nate. They're raffles. An S22. Bunch of shirts, pads, Clark pads, a whole bunch of stuff. So see Nate for your tickets. The raffle's at 9 o'clock at Lucky Lab.
Jesse, how's the man of the hour doing?
Okay, we're ready to roll. We're gonna give away some heavy awards.
Oh, what type of
Big winners
award?
this year. Yes. I need a picture. Stay right there, please. I would just like everybody to give a warm round of applause to our 3 members of the year. We have Ruben White, John Walden, and Alli Marmalade. Come on up here. Come on up here. We are nothing without our members, and these members mean so much to me. You've earned these trophies. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Our 2 volunteer heroes, Westfield 5 2022. I'd like to honor Tiffany Cohen and Doug Marshall. Thank you, Doug. Thank you, Tiffany. You guys are the best. Could not have done it without you. Our Westfield 5 heroes, thank you. I'll try not to touch your broken shoulder.
That's not broken.
Good one. Our 2022 Pevra Riding Group of the Year goes to the Friday Night Ride. FNR. And everybody up. Everybody up. Everybody up. We got plenty to go around.
You can.
There you go. There you go. We got plenty to go around. There we go. There we go. All right. Bring them on. Oh, maybe I don't have them though. Megan. Oh, you got. Who doesn't have one? Jen. All right. All right. There you go. Okay. Let me. FNR, our Riding Group of the Year, Westfield. Without further ado, our 2022 Safety Hero of the Year, Ryan Stahl for Fire Sack, Ginger on Wheels. Congratulations. Give a little, I love it. Great stuff.
I've never got a trophy before.
Now it's gonna go right.
Oh, is this like the miniature one of like
It's
some
now
of those
Bigot,
Russians make
yeah.
with the huge fat tires?
This is amazing. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
We're squeaky.
It's nice.
Yeah, you can even hear the motor.
Got room for our stickers?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Those are all free, everything there.
Looks like a squirrel.
And the squeaking and scratch from if I squat too much, I think you're wearing gloves.
He's just really big.
sweet little beach date. Lovely view. What a beautiful day, a beautiful way to end Westwell 5 2022. See you guys next year.